Yo, how y'all doing? I know this is up close and personal. It's a little different than normal, right? Because I'm outside with it. It's looking nice. It's looking real nice, right? It's beautiful. See the trees changing colors and stuff? I don't know if you guys caught that. Hey guys, good to see you there. Welcome back to Life Jewels with H for the Life Coach. That's me. We talk about how to awaken, reset, and transform our mindsets, habits, and life for more positive ideal results. I understand if you're new to this channel, wonderful. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining. If you're not new to this channel and you're a returnee, well, welcome back. But there's a whole new version. We're at another level because things have been transforming within us. We've been accelerating, we've been growing, and now we're about to give you guys the jewels for your crowns that you deserve. I don't want you guys to not have the jewels because you deserve them. You guys are kings, and I want you guys to be amazing at all that you do. So here we go. Almost 99% of people who have strong relationships are flower givers. Are you one of them? If you see me looking over here, it's because I'm doing a live as well. All right, so let's jump on into it. People die every day. I know that's sad and morbid, but it's the truth. Every second someone's dying. It's not often that we leave company that we love in bad taste. However, that's probably the worst that could happen is that they die. And it doesn't happen often, but the likelihood of this happening can happen. I've seen it happen with my own family. I've seen it happen with my own friends. And it's one of the saddest things you could do is to leave somebody. You're hurt, you're mad, you're upset, whatever the case may be. You're in a negative state of emotion, and you leave this person, this being, and next thing you know, they're gone. You never hear from them again. And you live with that regret, that pain, that guilt, that shame, whatever the case may be. We'll work on letting that go and transforming it and forgiving yourself. But in order to not have to worry about that, imagining leaving your relationships, leaving your partners, leaving your friendships, leaving the people you love in good company rather than in bad taste, right? You never know when it's the last time someone could be. Like, you could leave this morning, leave out your house. It could be your last day. You can go to sleep right now. It'd be your last breath. You just don't know. I'm saying this because you should be able to give people their flowers while they're still here on this earth. Not only while they're on this earth, but while they're still fresh enough to smell them. Meaning, they're doing the activity or being the person or having the things necessary in their life that you appreciate about them, that you want to pour into them for, while they're still doing it, while they still have time to celebrate it. And that's a beautiful thing. If you just accomplish something, you would want your people that are around you to celebrate you and tell you did amazing. Now, that's not always going to happen. So you have to learn to celebrate yourself. You have to learn to appreciate yourself. You have to learn to have the amazing time and love for yourself. At the end of the day, if you're not doing this, I'm looking at two cameras, so hi. If you're not doing this for yourself, you're doing this for others as well. But you can't do this for other people until you do it for yourself. So you have to be able to celebrate yourself, love yourself, give yourself the things necessary. Give yourself flowers when you celebrate things. In order for you to be able to recognize when someone else is doing something amazing in their life and you love them, you cherish them, give them their flowers too. We don't know when it's their time. We don't know when it's their moment. So why would you wait? Why would you hesitate? Appreciate them. Shower them in an abundance of love, adoration, appreciation, gratitude, and watch how their spirit, I'm telling you, watch how their spirit jumps for joy. The last time you gave a person a compliment, tell me they weren't smiling like ear to ear, a genuine compliment. Like, oh my God, I love that bag you got. Where'd you get it from? People, oh, you know, there's just a little something like this, right? They get so happy and excited. Why? Because you spoke directly to their spirit. You invoked something outside of them that was coming from within. So people may forget what you say. People may forget what you do. People will never forget how you make them feel. I will repeat that. People will forget what you say. People will forget what you do. That's a fact. But they will never forget how you make them feel, ever. So, make sure people who you love feel loved by you. It's not enough for them to know it. It's not enough for them to know it. It's not enough for them to know it. They have to feel it. Feeling and knowing are two different things. I can know you love me. You can know I love you. But if I don't feel your love, I don't feel that energy, how would I know for real, right? You can say I love you all day, but if I'm tired and my back is hurting and I'm hungry, I haven't eaten in like 2-3 days, what are you doing to show me you love me? right? If you're telling me that you're sick and something's going wrong in your life, and I'm not doing anything to help you, like making some soup or giving you something to take to make you feel better, what am I doing to show you I love you? Maybe even a simple letter is like, hey, I hope you get better. Or call them the next day, say, are you feeling better? Do you want some water? Just like checking in on people, pour into them. But here's the thing: we talk about love languages. We talk about giving flowers, right? So let's be mindful of how we do this, right? You love yourself a certain way, and even though you learn to love what you appreciate and what you want in your life, you think that it's okay to give someone else the same type of love that you give yourself. And I'm not saying that's the wrong thing to do, but you have to love somebody the same way you loved yourself, meaning you learned, you studied, you understood, you took the time to appreciate yourself and give yourself the things you needed for you. So don't give them the things they need from you, of you. Give them the things they need from you for them, right? What does their love language look like? What would they appreciate? How would they feel receiving this thing? Not how would you feel giving this thing, right? Not how would you feel receiving this thing either, but how would they feel receiving this? That's the most important thing, right? So if you're doing something amazing in your life, you have someone in your corner that loves you and appreciates you, give them love. Give them love, because you just don't know what they're going through. Someone could be smiling every day too, and you think that they're happy, go lucky, amazing, feeling like the best person in the world, right? And you have no idea that they're suffering. There's so many comedians that have committed suicide and you never knew. There's so many strong people that have committed suicide and you never knew, because no one checked in on them. No one gave them their flowers. They spent their whole life giving everyone else their flower, giving out their joy, giving everyone else their prize, their time, their energy, whatever the case may be. They've been giving it out, but no one gave it back. And it's important that you give energy to other people. The love that they receive is crucial for the development of their spirit, for the development of their future, for the development of their presence. And if you want their presence to be out in the present moment, give them yours. Right? So giving them, let me read that again. So giving in the nature of what we'd want to receive is not the same as giving in the nature they would want to receive. So give people their flowers, not yours, while they're still fresh to smell them, not later. So that's now, while it's not too late. And it's better to be now or a little late than never. Okay? So I gotta ask you, who are you gonna give your flowers to? That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in. Again, it's AC the Life Coach. If you like this content, share with more people. If you like this gem, share with more people. As always, stay blessed and stay beautiful.